Unable to connect to Wi-Fi network in Android. So if you're unable to connect to the Wi-Fi network in Android, then what you need to do is just go with the Wi-Fi option. Tap and hold on to your Wi-Fi, go with more Wi-Fi settings and connect to the Wi-Fi in which you're facing the problem. Once you're connected, you need to go with settings, which is on the right side, and it will open up this kind of interface. So if you're facing a problem with the Wi-Fi network, then first you need to simply go with the disconnect option and then again connect it. But even after doing that, if that doesn't fix your problem, then tap on forget. And once you forget, now you just need to simply again go with the Wi-Fi, enter the password and then connect to the Wi-Fi. Once you've connected, your problem might be fixed. But even after connecting, if that doesn't fix your problem, then what you need to do is just go back and then open up your settings. Go with search, which is on the upper right. And here on the search settings, you need to search for reset. Once you search for reset, you need to go with reset all settings. Here you will have reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. Tap on reset Wi-Fi and then tap on reset settings, which is on the bottom, and it will reset your Wi-Fi, and then you need to again enter the password and then connect and your problem will be fixed. But if that doesn't, then just restart your device and after that your problem might be fixed. That's how you can fix unable to connect to Wi-Fi network in Android. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.